baby shark. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Let's blow bubbles, ready, start. Baby shark in the ocean blue. Found a wand, shiny and new. Dip it in and blow it slow. Wow, so many bubbles. Go, go, go. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Floating up, they never stop. Big and small, watch them fly. Color bubbles in the sky. One big bubble, oh so round. Lifted baby off the ground. Uh-oh, mommy, help me please. Floating high above the seas. Mommy shark just laughs out loud. Wave your fins and don't be proud. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Up you go and never stop. Wiggle, wiggle, down you drop. Splashy landing, bubble pop. Daddy shark says let me try. Blows huge bubbles to the sky. Grandma shark makes rainbow ones. Grandpa shark, 10 at once. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Family fun that never stops. Round and shiny, big and bright. Bubbles dancing left and right. Baby shark blew one too fast. Uh-oh, it grew super massive. It covered fish and coral too. Even Daddy shouted, woo! All together, clap, clap, clap. Bubble burst with a giant snap. Up, hop, bubble pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Laugh and splash and dance around. Bubbly fun is what we found. Now the bubbles drift away, shiny at the end of day. Baby shark waves with a smile. Let's blow bubbles one more while. Pop, pop, bubble pop. We had fun, it's time to stop. Clap your fins and sing along. Bubbles make a happy song. La 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 la. Brush, 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 here we are. Do 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 do, morning fun. Hershey baby Dina wakes up and runs. Oh 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 oh, what do I see? Dirty teeth, oh no for me. Not so bright. I must brush it clean tonight. Swish, 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 la la. Brush it left and brush it right. Ooh. Shoo, 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 germs go away. with D-Y. If you want teeth like Baby Shark, brush, brush, brush. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Brush, brush, brush. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Brush, brush, brush. Swish, swish, swish. Sparkle, sparkle, shine. Baby Shark teeth, super fine. Yay, yay, yay. Family fun, yay, yay, yay. La 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 la. Skeleton party, boom, boom, boom. Birthday skeleton, shake your bones. Clap, clap, clap. Rattle, rattle, rattle. Happy birthday, let's go, go, go. 5 little skeletons came to the party, dancing, dancing, super hardy. One skeleton brought a big, big cake, but his head fell off. Mistake, mistake. Skeleton party, boom, boom, boom. Shake your bones and wiggle, wiggle. They played musical chairs. Oh, what fun! One skeleton sat, but he had no bum. He fell right through with the bony crash. All the skeletons laughed. Clack, clack, clash. Blow the candles, puff, puff, puff. Skeleton tried, but he had no cheeks to puff. He used his bony fingers instead. Candles went out. Yay, 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 he said.
Funny action part.
Shake your head, rattle, rattle. Shake your arms, clack, clack, clack. Shake your legs, click, click, click. Skeleton dance, don't fall apart. All the skeletons ate the cake so fast. They got so full, their tummies went boom at last. They hugged each other with bony arms. Best birthday party full of charms. Final party. Skeleton party, boom, boom, boom. Happy birthday, shake, shake, shake. Clap, clap, clap. Rattle, rattle, rattle. Best skeleton birthday, yay, yay, yay. Honk, honk, the bus is here. Baby Shark sings loud and clear. Sit down safe, hold on tight. Let's ride together, feels so right. 5 little kids got on the bus. Laughing, jumping, making fuss. One stood up to wave goodbye. Oops, he bumped his head so high. No more standing on the bus. Sit down safely, join with us. 4 little kids riding away, talking loudly, wanting to play. One was running down the seat. Driver said that's not so neat. No more running on the bus. Sit and smile, don't make fuss. 3 little kids singing a song, but one was bouncing all too strong. He slipped and slid, oh no, oh dear, who's that? Baby Shark said sit right here. No more bouncing on the bus. Ride it safe, no rush, no fuss. Put it. 2 little kids looking around. One dropped toys onto the ground. Baby Shark said pick them slow. Safety rules you must know. No more dropping on the bus. Keep it clean and safe with us. One little kid all alone forgot the rules he should have known. Baby Shark came with a smile. Let's sit safely for a while. Now all kids are sitting tight, smiling, happy, feeling right. No more chaos, no more fuss. Safe, safe riding on the bus. No more chaos, clap, clap, clap. Sit and ride, tap, tap, tap. Baby Shark says be safe with me. Happy bus ride, 1, 2, 3. Happy bus ride, 1, 2, 3. Foo, choo, choo, wait, what's that sound? Train is spinning all around. Left to go. Train was happy, full of cheer. Next stop is, I was just here. Driver checks the map again. Oh no, I forgot it then. Choo choo, where to go? Fast or slow, nobody knows. Tracks are long, signals bright, but train is confused tonight.
Oh no!
Train goes left, oops, not there. Train goes right, I swear I care. It stops at zoo, then candy shop. Wait, is this my final stop? Choo choo, silly ride. Train is lost but full of pride. Wheels are turning round and round. No right station can be found. Monkey says I know the way, but he points the other way. Elephant tries with big loud sound, but train goes spinning round and round. Help, help, guide the train through sunshine and through rain. Lost but laughing, what a scene. Funniest ride you've ever seen. Train now thinks I'm on vacation. Stops at beach and starts a celebration. Passengers shout, we need to go. Train says, wait, I don't know. Choo choo, silly brain. Train forgot its own lane. Beep beep, laugh and cheer. This confusion brings us near. Little bird flies in the sky, shows the train the right way. High, follow me, don't be late. Train says, oh, that is great. Choo choo, back on track. No more turning left or back. All aboard, now we go to the station nice and slow. Choo choo, now we know. Train remembers where to go. Clap your hands and sing along. Lost train turned into a song.
Oh no!
Is it an animal that's moving? I can't tell. We should.
Find Dino is stomping on the ground. Wow! 5 Dino is stomping on the ground. Stomp, 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 what a sound! One slipped down and hit a stone. Mouse of the jungle echo with a groan. So the leader called the birds and the babe then said, no more dinos stomping around the ground. 4 dinos were stomping on the ground. Stomp, 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 honk, honk sound. One fell off and hurt his toe, rolling down so slow, slow, slow. So the leader called the snake, and the snake then said, stop these dinos from stomping the ground. Wow! 3 dinos were stomping on the ground, stomping loud all around. One bumped into a jungle tree. Ouch! He shouted loudly. So the leader called the monkey, and the monkey then said, these dinos are too wild on the ground. 2 dinos were stomping on the ground. Stomp, stomp, stomp all around. One slipped in, muddy blue hissing. What are we gonna do? So the leader called the lion, and the lion then said, no more stomping on the ground. 1 dino was stomping on the ground. Stomp, stomp, no sound. He fell down with a tiny roar hissing and broke the jungle floor. So the leader called the wizard, and the wizard then said, fix the ground. Fix the ground. They fixed the ground with magic glow. Now the jungle starts to flow. All dinos came back again, happy stomping in the rain. So the leader called the